If this goes well and all goes well, how soon before we can do a first uncrewed trip to Mars?
If we're lucky, we've probably got about a 50% chance of sending ships from Earth to Mars at the end of next year. So November, December next year.
3,
about 18 months.
2, 1.
This engine is at the heart of the world's most revolutionary rocket, the Falcon 9. This is because there only needs to be one thing: reliability.
There you can see Falcon 9 has successfully landed on our drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, marking the 168th overall landing of an...
Decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, and the others too.
These innovations made him unstoppable, and by 1206 he had united the people of the Felt Wall Tents and become Genghis Khan.
Isotropic. Isotropic means that when you look in that direction, or that direction, or that direction, or that direction. Now, of course, if you look right at a star, it looks a little different than if you look at away from the star. But on the whole, averaging over patches in the sky and looking out far enough so that you get away from the immediate foreground of our own galaxy, the universe looks pretty much the same in every direction. Okay? That's called isotropic, same in every direction. All right, now, if the universe is isotropic,
On Valentine's Day 1990, as everyone on Earth was celebrating love, Voyager 1 was all alone, leaving our solar system forever. Headed for an endless and lonely journey, it turned around to look at the Earth one last time. This was the image it captured: our small blue world, caught in the center of a scattered light ray. As Carl Sagan said, "Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us.
That's us. On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. The aggregate of our joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization."
Also included on the record is a message from then President of the United States, Jimmy Carter. There's something vulnerable about the message. It's delivered to an unknown recipient, like when someone in a horror movie asks into the darkness, "Is anyone there? Hello?" This is what it says. "We cast this message into the cosmos. it is likely to survive 1 billion years into the future when our civilization is profoundly altered and the surface of the Earth may be vastly changed. Of the 200 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, some, perhaps many, may have inhabited planets and spacefaring civilizations. If one such civilization intercepts Voyager and can understand these recorded contents, here is our message. This is a present from a small, distant world, a token of our sounds, our science, our images, our music, our thoughts, and our feelings. We are attempting to survive our time so we may live into yours. We hope someday, having solved the problems we face, to join a community of galactic civilizations. This record represents our hope and our determination, and our goodwill in a vast and awesome universe.